Hello, in this video I'm telling you how to make money if you work on the island and live on the mainland. And the way you're going to make money is through transport business. You need to get a bus. So you get a good working bus specifically for this purpose. So in the morning when you're going to work at the different bus stops on the mainland, you call passengers going to the island and then you take them and you collect your money. When you close from work and you're coming back, the passengers that are coming back from the island to the mainland, you pick them up from the different bus stops on the island again, and then you bring them to the mainland, and then you make your money. So you settle the fuel money, and you'll be surprised at the end of the month, you are going to be making more than you are making in the work you are doing on the island. I will tell you another one in the next video. Bye for now.